Here's an unboxing of this doorbell camera. Comes packaged, sealed up in some plastic like this. This is the 1080p, just got off Amazon. Figured I'd do a little showing it to you on camera as I open it up. So if you're thinking about getting it, you can see exactly what it looks like. Little foam insert, keep things protected. Little adhesive pad right here. Instruction guides. Looks like this is going to be a little accessory box. USB-C cable, and then something very small inside of here. Let's see what it is. Oh, some hardware. Those are your screws inside of there. Sync button right there. Plug it into your outlet. And then here is the camera. It honestly actually looks better than it does on the Amazon listing. Looks like a lot cleaner, more elegant, and feels really nice too. Has a bit of weight to it. Let's look at the top. And there's how you pop the back off of it. It's awesome. There's everything that it comes with in this kit.